Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about all element of form tag. So first one is we will work with task boxes, then we'll work with check boxes, after that radio buttons, and then we will use select method and clear method and send key method, and we will work with drop down list. So this is example you can see, and this is our tag. Using text we can enter here text, here also text, and this is radio, and this is drop down. You can see here there are 1 2 3 4 values, and this is checkbox. So how you will click on checkbox, how you will fill some date like here you can see, and then how you will select a file from your system, and then we will submit it. First of all we will inspect the element. So you can see if I will inspect it, here I will do hover on it. So this is our input, and you can see this is a type and ID is name. So using ID we can be able to select this element. Let's automate it. I will close this one, even I will close all of them. Here I will create a new module. So let's say automate form, finish it, blank. First of all we will import the Selenium. From Selenium import WebDriver, and I will import time as well. So import time, and then I will import unit test also, unit test. Then I will create a class. So let's say class my form, and here I will create setup method. So def I will override setup method here, setup. Here I need to inherit the unit test dot test cases, and then this is a setup method which is inherits from test case class, and here I will create self dot driver equals WebDriver dot Chrome, and this is the setup method, and we will create the test case. So def test using form elements, and here I will use a private variable driver equals self dot driver. Now I will load URL. So try and driver dot get, and here my URL is, you can see, I will copy it, just paste here. So this is our URL which we are going to load, and then we will use here accept exception as ex and print ex. After that, in else clause I will write in this way. So else, now we will work on driver. So if you will see here, this is our name where we are going to enter the name here, and this is the element. If I will do hover on it, so you can see this is the ID is the name. So I can create in this way, name equals driver dot find element by ID, and the ID is name. Now I will wait for some time. Let's say time dot sleep for, let's say, 2 seconds, and then I will send some data. So first of all we have to clear it. So name dot clear means, let's say if any data is present here, so it will clear that data first, and then it will enter the data whatever we are passing. Now we will use name dot send key. So send key method will provide a simulate type into the element, means we can pass the input. So send key, the input is, let's say, couple. This is done. So first element is done now. Now the second element is, if I will hover on it, this is email, and if I'm seeing here, this is also a input type is email, and ID is mail. and name is also user mail. So you can use ID, even name, both you can use. So here one of them you can use. Email equals driver dot find element by ID. So ID is email, and the same thing for this. I will copy this code and I will pass here, and I will change the value. So value will be, let's say, kapil@gmail.com. Here we are passing the value is this, okay, not this email. So here instead of name, you have to change email, this variable, because we are going to store inside email and email. Now the next point is you have to fill message. So if I will inspect this element message, so this is also a text area and ID is MSG. So I can track it using ID. So let's say how we can track message equals driver dot find element by ID, and the ID is message MSG, and then sleep for some time dot sleep, and here let's say for 5 seconds, and then I will clear it. So message dot clear, and then I will send the key. So message dot send key, and the message is hi, I'm here. After that again sleep for some time. So time dot sleep, 5 seconds. Now the next element is a radio button. So if I will hover on it, you can see this is a message. I want to iterate this. So this is a type here, and ID is radio 1. So using ID you can iterate it. And even if you want to click on that, so you have to use find element by ID. This is not a good way, you cannot use directly. So for radio button there is a different process. We have to execute some script here and it will select. So how we can write the JavaScript for this? So it's very easy. Let's say how we can execute it. You have to write in this way, driver dot execute script. So here I need to write the script. So script says argument, and inside bracket you have to pass 0 dot click, and this is the method. Here you have to pass what is the variable you want to click. So the variable, let's say radio, but from where it radio came, so this is using find element by ID. So radio equals driver dot find element by ID, and the ID is radio 1. You can track it. So this is a ID. So if I will add it attribute, so this is a radio 1. I will copy it and here I will paste. I'm clicking on it using execute script. So this is the function which provide you can write the JavaScript on it. If you are using radio button, then you have to use JavaScript here. So till here I will make some checkpoint. So print radio button pressed. There are two options, one is male, one is female. So if you want to click on female, so you have to track this, and other you have to pass the ID of other. So here I will make it up. Fine. So till radio we are here and we can check once. So here I will make time dot sleep, let's say for 10 seconds, and we will see it's working or not. So I will run it, Python run, and okay, so here I did not use any checkpoint because we are using here unit test. So for that we have to create the checkpoint first. Here let's say I will create first tear down, and inside tear down I will use self dot driver dot quit, and after that I will use if name equals main. So this is a main module, and you have to write unit test same Last time also we used main. Now I will run this program. Python run. Okay. So let's see it's working or not. So it got loaded and now it will start filling. Okay. So here we are getting error. We are filling the form. We are able to send the key here, but I'm not able to iterate this email. So what is exactly problem? And just cross check it. So for email, I think I did pass some bad argument. So let's see here, email, and ID is mail. Okay, mail. So but I'm passing here email. That's what this is the problem. So it should be exact that one. Otherwise it will show there is no element found. If I will run again, so Kapil and email ID got filled. After that, message also got filled. And mail is also got selected. Okay, so till here we have completed our task. So in next video we will work with the next step. Thanks for watching.